Aveeno, Restorative Skin Therapy, Oat Repairing Cream, 12 ounces, 340 grams. Product Overview Description. Sensitive, distressed, dry skin. Prebiotic Oat Concentrate, Aloe and Pro-Vit B5 helps restore the moisture barrier to improve skin resilience. Dermatologist recommended for over 65 years. Clinically proven effective on the distressed skin of oncology patients. Formulated with Prebiotic Oat Concentrate, our highest concentration of prebiotics oat, a powerful antioxidant, known to moisturize and soothe dry skin. Aloe, known to soothe skin. Provitamin B5, helps heal dry skin. Formulated without fragrance, parabens, steroids, phthalates. 87% agree this cream provides long-lasting comfort and leaves skin looking visibly healthier. Clinically proven effective at relieving the sensitive, distressed, dry skin of oncology patients. Tested on individuals undergoing chemotherapy with mild to moderate dryness and or itchy skin. Suggested use. Apply liberally as often as needed. Other ingredients: water, glycerin, distilled ammonium chloride, beta-alatum, isopropyl palmitate, cetyl alcohol, panthenol, dimethicone, avena sativa, oat, kernel flour, benzyl alcohol, steareth 20, aloe barbadensis leaf extract, sodium chloride, avena sativa, oat, kernel extract. Warnings. Consult your healthcare provider prior to using during radiation therapy. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.